This is a quick demo allowing me to control Wavebox Browser, which is on the left, from Claude, here on the right. Now, all I need to do is download the MCP server from the GitHub repo you see here. Let me do that. I'll go to Releases, and then I'll go to download the DXT file and open that in Claude. Claude will allow me to install this, and this will ask for permission. Now it's ready to go. It's installed in Claude. It actually uses AppleScript to talk backwards and forwards. So what I also need to do is make sure that I've given that permission to run JavaScript in Wavebox as well. You can see it's already ticked here. That's all I need to do. Now I can actually instruct Claude to do things through my Wavebox browser. You may think, why bother? Because Claude can already look at the internet for me. Key thing here is that you know that Wavebox is really powerful at allowing you to log in with multiple different accounts, all in the same profile. So there's no switching backwards and forwards. It's all within the one browser. So if I'm accessing things which I've already logged into, Claude couldn't see that if it was trying to do it on its own. It can only do it through my Wavebox browser because it's already logged in. It's already authenticated. So it's a key difference as to why you'd actually use it this way. For this demo, though, I'm going to just use a very quick one. I'm going to do a quick task. Let's say I want to read something on Hacker News and just get it to summarize it, because otherwise I'll go down a rabbit hole and that would be my morning gone. So I can ask Claude, in my Wavebox browser, can you navigate in the current tab to Hacker News? There. Could you look at each Linux article in turn, visit it and summarize its content, and then return with a list of what you've found and a summary. That sounds okay. Now, when I ask Claude to do that, it's going to consult its tools. It knows that it can actually talk to Wavebox, so it'll start doing that. Now, for the first time you do these, it'll ask for permission for a few things. Get current tab, it'll do, and navigate, it'll do that as well. I've already given that the permission, and then it's remembered that I'm happy for Claude to navigate on my behalf. Here we've seen it's taken me to Hacker News. It's looked at the content. I expect it's basically been searching for the term Linux. It's found the first page, which is about Linux reaching 5%. It's now continuing its search. It's found another one about a tiny Linux compatible kernel, project on GitHub obviously, and it's going to summarize that as well. Now, I don't know if there's anything else left. It's obviously reading the page for me. And if there is nothing else, oh, there is. Okay, that's interesting. It thinks that that is related to that one. I have no idea. It looks like an ad to me, but hey ho. Now then, it's going to keep looking at Hacker News, and if it thinks it's done, then I hope it's going to be a summary. So we have the first article about Linux reaching 5%, and it's read that page, wherever it was, and given me the highlights. And then the second one, which is about that Linux compatible kernel, exactly the same. It's got the info from that GitHub repo and summarized it for me. It also did mention that it found this other link, which it didn't find anything on, so it's kind of skipped that for me. That's exactly what I asked for. So normally I'd probably just ask Claude, can you just do this? I don't have to have Wavebox in view. This is just for the demo purposes. And like I say, the main reason for this is because Wavebox isolates all your cookie containers, you can be logged in separately to multiple Gmails or whatever else. I can now ask Claude to use the right kind of credentials that's already logged in on Wavebox to actually go and do web actions on my behalf, which is different to what it could do on its own. It can only basically browse the public internet. This way, I can actually give it permission as I need to do interesting things on my behalf. So all experimental, but it shows the power of MCP, shows some direction, I think, of how things are going. You too can try it out. This is all public on our repo in GitHub. If you go to Wavebox, and it's the Wavebox Browser Control MCP, and just follow exactly what I've done, and you too can give it a go. So let us know how you get on, and any feedback. This is an active part of our development here.